have this side done. Can you see it? And also this is the other side. Can you see? So we are moving forward now. So the next thing we're going to be working with is the back as well. We want to also join the side back to the center back. Remember the center back right here, we've already joined the shoulder. We've already faced the shoulder right here. So I'm going to be picking up the side back. Can you see the side back as well? So we are just going to do the same thing that we did for the front bodies, for the back bodies as well. The only difference is just that this time around we will be joining it first before we do the M line. We'll be joining both sides before we do the M line. So I'm just going to pin it from this side all the way up. Okay. So I'm going to just stitch it down using 1/2 inch on both sides. Okay, so we are done with this side now. So the next thing we want to also work on is the M line. We want to also M it down just like we did for the front. So we are going to just use 1/2 inch to M it. Like I said earlier on, you can use your bias to do this or your taping, depending on what you want. So I'm just going to M this side now. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to overlock it. Can you see what I have at the back here? Can you see? So it's not even, the seam is not even showing here. So this side here, I'm going to just quickly overlock all this side together. I'm going to overlock it here and here, but I guess I'll first of all join this side. For the side seam, you just want to place it. There is no drama about it. You just want to place it here. Can you see the side for the front here and the side here? You're just going to place it together like this, and then you just stitch it down. You just stitch it using 1/2 inch. I prefer starting from the M, that way I don't have to pin it down. I'll just stitch it down using 1/2 inch or 1 inch, any allowance that you have left. So I'm just going to use about 6/8, and I want it to be a little bit free. So I've joined one side together. Now the other side, the same thing as well. So I have the jacket almost ready. So we are just going to work on this final part here for now, which is the sleeve. Can you see? Remember that we face the center back, the back, and also we face the center front as well. So what we're going to just do is we are going to place them side by side like this. The armhole side, they are going to just be like this. Can you see the armhole side? Now this is where the facing is. This is the facing for both sides. So I'm just going to find the center of the facing and the fabric for the neckline, and I'm going to pin it down. I'm going to pin it down at the center, and then I'm going to stitch it 1/2 inch. So it's going to look like fully enclosed sewing at the neckline. So I'm going to just stitch it down using 1/2 inch. So when you close it, you have this. Can you see the jacket is coming out? I'm still going to show you the final result on the mannequin anyway, so we're just going to keep working on it. Now the other side, the same thing as well. The armhole, the side front and the side back, I'm just going to make sure that they are facing each other, and then I'm just going to look for where the neckline is, like this. This is for the fabric and this is for the facing of both the front and back. So I'll just find the center and pin it down. I'll find the center, pin it down, and then I'll stitch the neckline by ½ inch. I'll stitch the neckline by ½ inch. I'll stitch it down using ½ inch. Okay, so here is the result of our jacket. Now the other thing I wanted to say is, for the armhole, you can decide to just turn it in like this, or you can use bias to tape it in, or if you want to add any kind of sleeve that you want, you can add it to yours. But I think I'm just going to fold it in. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but this is just the way it's going to look. Can you see the outer part is going to be the same facing is what we're going to be using for the center front. Can you see? It's just so beautiful. Now depending on the kind of fabric you make use of, you can just iron it out, but this particular kind of fabric does not need ironing. And at the same time, for this point here, remember that it's overlapping here, so you can just put like a button. You can use like a red button or anything just to make it look so beautiful. Let me just show you the back as well. Can you see the back side as well? Can you see the facing that we used? Everything is just laying so beautiful. So you can decide to do whatever you want with yours. So thank you so much for watching the video, and see you in the next class. Have a lovely day. Bye.